Hello everyone! This video is my final reflection on integrating technology. I will reflect on my professional portfolio and share my thoughts on the artifacts I created. So I'm going to start with the artifact that I'm most proud of. The artifact that I'm most proud of is from my online and blended learning and digital lessons. So for this portfolio page, I created a 3-day digital lesson for 5th graders on World War II standard. And I'm really proud of this artifact because I worked really hard on this one and it took me about a week and a half to work on it. I actually enjoyed making this lesson, and looking back on it, I can see that this is very beneficial for future students during a digital learning day or digital learning days. I learned a lot about this HyperDoc, learning how to make a HyperDoc on Google Slides and Google Docs. And inserting hyperlinks like articles, activities, and I just loved integrating various kinds of tools into this lesson, and I'm just really proud of it. So the artifact that was the biggest challenge for me was from the multimedia portfolio page in the video section. For me, it was a challenge to create an iMovie for the video portion of the multimedia portfolio page. And the reason why this was challenging for me was because I never used iMovie before or even created a video from scratch. And it was definitely difficult to figure out the basics of the tool. But as I played around with the tools, I started to understand how to make a decent and an effective video to educate students on cyberbullying. But this did help me a lot. I am more confident in learning how to make videos for students. This would help me with educating students on cyberbullying. So I think I made a good video on it, and I think I'll show this to my future students one day. The best lesson and lesson idea that I designed for the semester is my civil rights lesson plan from the communication and collaboration tools. So this here is my lesson plan activity on civil rights, and I created it in Google Slides, and I used the add-on tool Peer Deck, and I really loved Peer Deck because this helped give student voice and choice, and it was beneficial for students to collaborate and communicate in the lesson. Students can respond to certain questions, and they can also go to another website to look at a video or take quiz on quizzes. So I really liked this lesson idea on the civil rights, and students would have to go throughout the lesson plan, take a brain pop quiz after watching the video, and then having to answer a few like written responses. And I really liked it. So I learned a lot from making this portfolio page, and I learned a lot about the various technology tools that I can use in my future classroom one day. I learned that students can be interactive in their own learning through technology tools and activities. Something that I will use in my future classroom one day is a software tool called Nearpod. And this lesson plan that I made was for the civil rights movement as well in 5th grade standard. And I'll definitely use this one day in my future classroom because it has, like, you can make audio for every slide. Students can be interactive in the lesson. And I'll definitely use this one day, but I definitely learned a lot from using technology in the classroom, and I believe that I will make the students very confident in their learning with technology.